Opportunity abounds in this 51.05-acre parcel just off the Dodge Street corridor along Highway 275. Currently used as a manufacturing/shipping business utilizing the many buildings on the property. This incredible property could also be the perfect location for that hobby farm you've been dreaming of, as it comes complete with horse fencing, a pole barn and an outdoor riding arena. The farm home on the property has 3 bedrooms and 1 bath and is currently occupied by a renter. There is also a living space above one of the buildings. Dreaming of more land for your landscaping business? Run a business in the construction industry and need more space? The possibilities are endless. This is an active place of business. Firm appointments only.